Welcome to our weekly chat. 2.5 million rows of data in Microsoft Excel. You might say that is totally impossible. If you check a normal spreadsheet in Microsoft Excel, it holds about 1.048 million rows of data in a spreadsheet. So how at all is it possible to get 2.5 million rows into Excel and do a full data analysis and still end up with a small file size? Now this has to do with the power of Microsoft Power Query. At the end of this video, at the bottom, you will find a link to my video, which is an introduction to Microsoft Power Query, showing you where to find it and the basics on how to use it. In the top right corner, you will find the second link to a video where I will actually show you how I import 2.5 million rows of data into an Excel spreadsheet. Click the links and see you on the other side.